They say if your emotional abilities aren't in hand, then no matter how smart you are, you're not going to get very far. Hi friends, my name is Shagufta, and I'm sure all of you must have heard of this term emotional intelligence. So today we are going to talk about what exactly is emotional intelligence, how can we develop it, and why is it so important to be emotionally intelligent. So, the first thing to note here is that we are ruled by our emotions. Emotions dictate the way we experience this world, the way we interact with others, and even the decisions that we make. And hence, to learn to master this art is of so great importance to be able to succeed in your life. Now let's understand what is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, as defined, is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in a positive way, to relieve stress, to communicate with others effectively, to empathize, and to overall achieve a positive outcome. So, why is emotional intelligence so important to us? Studies show that many global corporates are now recruiting and even promoting individuals basis on the emotional intelligence that they possess, as opposed to the cognitive thinking or the technical ability of an individual. So while IQ is somewhat fixed, EQ or emotional quotient of a person is like a muscle which can continue to grow and develop over time. So let's move ahead and speak about how we can strengthen emotional intelligence in an individual by thinking about the characteristics of a highly emotionally intelligent person. Point number one: emotionally intelligent people listen to their feelings. Recognizing your emotions and the impact that it has on you and the people around you is the first step towards building your emotional intelligence. When you don't honor your feelings, when you block, or when you don't acknowledge your feelings, when you fight, it tends to grow stronger and louder. So, the next time you're feeling emotionally triggered by somebody or something, take time to pause and reflect on what am I feeling, why am I feeling this, and what is this emotion trying to tell me, and try and listen to that. Point number two: emotionally intelligent people respond and not react. Although we have very less control over our emotions and what we experience, but what we can control here is how we respond to those emotions. There's a gap between stimulus and response, and what we have to try and do is maximize this gap by giving yourself some space and time to process what you are feeling at that particular moment. And how do you do that? You can do that by simply following some things like following a simple breathing exercise for some time, or simply just pulling yourself out of that situation and going out for a walk for a few minutes. Guys, let's try and not make a permanent decision basis on this temporary emotion that we feel, and try not to react in a manner that we regret later. And the last point is emotionally intelligent people are empathetic. This is a very important thing to remember and to understand, guys. Emotional intelligence is not only about mastering your own emotions, it's also about changing the way you communicate and interact with others. And this starts by paying attention to others, trying to understand what their viewpoints are and of those around you, and only then will you be able to develop deep and connected relationships. Okay, so by putting yourself in their shoes, or by trying to understand the situation from their viewpoint, you don't necessarily have to agree to them. You're only trying to understand what they might be feeling. And as we know, people connect through emotions more than words. And effective communication is also about the message being received well by the other person and not the message that you want to give. So guys, by becoming more emotionally intelligent, we'll be able to understand ourselves better. We will be able to boost our productivity, we'll be able to boost our confidence, and hence become better leaders. So that's all from my side for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this informative. Do share your comments in the comment section below, and also let me know if you want me to create a video on some topic of your choice. I'll be happy to do that. And until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye.